How to delete Snapchat account. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Snapchat app on a mobile device and make sure that you are signed into the Snapchat account you want to delete. Then, once inside the Snapchat app, all you have to do is tap on the Bitmoji icon or profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, once in your profile, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to your Snapchat settings. Now, inside settings, scroll down unless you see delete my account option available there, and all you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be navigated to delete your account. Follow the on-screen instructions, and here all you have to do is enter your username and password again to confirm and click continue. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.